Don't make me, please, though.
Are you gonna win?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Are you serious?
Do you have a battle tactic to win?
No, I left that at home.
Oh.
Cheating. He's a cheater, look.
Oh, boo!
It's fun.
Yeah.
Absolutely loved it. I spilled the water over me. The balloon popped over my head.
High five.
Good, enjoyable to do in the summer. Yeah, water fights. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.